Hey everybody, I'm out here in the Philippines and we're going to be going off-roading trying to find some, how do you pronounce that? Lambanog?
Lambanog.
Coconut wine. See how they distill here out in the Philippines. I think there's some Lambanog up this way. No Lambanog up there. Sorry, Lambanag.
Babe, do you want to kill me, babe?
No. Why? Do you think this is a little too treacherous? This is where the GPS told us to go.
I feel like you want to kill me. Babe, I'm 24 years old. My goodness. Jesus. Go. Babe!
They got me all geared up here with my boots. So yeah, let's see what you guys do to make a living around here. And we'd love to see it there in USA how you guys make a living and how you guys distill this this awesome spirit. Look at this shit, you guys. This is what we're talking about. This is exactly what I was looking for. Tuba right there. So you cut off the limb and then put the plastic bottle on and it collects. Yeah, it collects the tuba.
You drink?
I'll try.
Oh.
I heard if I drink too much tuba, I poop too much. So not to drink too much.
Pag makuha na na siya, lutoon ba yun?
Dili pa. Mundo pa na siya. Tulok adlaw.
Ah,
Ano yan? Okay na?
you're going to...
Ah!
Na yung mga kuan, biyog-biyog.
Okay, small. Oh wow. Hold on. Those are flies. Nice.
Inom niya. Inom na.
I would say I'm gonna hold off on drinking that because the flies in there, but it smells good. So you filter it after? Oh wow, that's a cool picture too.
Tamis.
Matamis. Sweet.
I'm gonna try it. I'll try it.
Let me hold it. Here.
So nice.
What, babe?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's an acquired taste. It's an acquired taste, dude. Fuck. Wow.
You don't like it?
No.
Because they're going to...
Here's the still house. Look at that beauty. This is the still house, you guys. Wow. So this is their land. They actually own all this land. Here's the still house. Wow. This is cool. Hold on, baby. Oh, wow.
This is Tuba stock.
Tuba ready to distill.
In 3 days.
Oh,
You use it.
now do you add anything else to the tuba, or you? So just a natural fermentation process. Nice, because in USA they use yeast.
But here not.
Nice. Nice. So let's check out. So this is the still here. Use so you use coconuts to fire the still, or
This is the
Lasa na, Imon? Ha, lasa na?
Look at that, you guys. That's some shit right there.
Ano ito ba ang gibutang?
No.
This is fucking awesome. Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Tuba, this inside. This is the process. Lambanog.
Lembanog. Tuba turns to lembanog. Distilled.
Be careful. Brother.
So there's your pot still, and that's a wooden pot still.
Yeah.
That's a wooden pot still, huh? Wow. Holy shnikes. So can you explain to me how the pot still actually works? So I see the bamboo.
Can you explain?
Yeah, can you explain how the pot still works? 'Cause I see that as a wooden pot, and that's really cool.
How to...
You can speak in Tagalog at Pasaya and we'll translate. It's okay.
Ang kana kol bag yun sa magbuhat kol. Kana.
Translate.
Ni tuong man na siya, kahoy na siya, tuong tawag na tuong.
Sa wood.
Oh,
Tuong.
That's tuong.
Which is called toong.
Kuan sa kanang
That kind of
hard siya nga kuan ta hardwood.
hardwood. Okay.
Hardwood.
Now, where's the liquid right now? The liquid's in the pot. How does the liquid stay in the pot?
Inside. From the top is the water.
Okay.
So
Okay, the condensing water, the cooling water in the top.
in the
Yep.
top.
Wow, this is a real traditional Tagalog still, correct? Yes. So,
Tagalog.
not necessarily?
Oo.
Okay. So what would you qualify this still as? Just a Filipino still, or
Sa Philippines.
just Filipino still? So how does the bottom of the still look? Is it just a flat bottom? Is it metal up on the bottom, or
That's a metal.
metal on the bottom?
Babe, step by step.
So, you look at me.
Okay.
Look at what I'm doing.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is a process. This
It's a tuba.
Tuba. Yep.
Tuba from the nipa. You can see the nipa. Yan. Here.
Yes.
Ah.
I just tasted it.
I will demonstrate.
This is the master distiller here. Is this your guy in your family?
My cousin.
Cousin. Nice. And what was your name, sir?
My name is Miguel.
Miguel.
So, she...
You can see I will because tapos
She drained the old...
Excess.
Oh,
Okay. The old stuff.
The old
Yep.
one. Then she put the new one.
I put a new tuba.
Yep.
So, kana siya dong, wala na siya no?
This is way, yes.
The waste.
This is way better than I thought it was going to be. I really appreciate you bringing me out here. This is 10 times better than I thought it was going to be. Thank you, Miguel.
Welcome.
Just to see a still like this is absolutely amazing. To see a completely wooden still like this is absolutely
She put
amazing.
a new one.
I put
Okay, yep, so there's the tuba getting poured into the still. He's clogging up the end.
It's a new one.
No hydrometers, no testing of the
No,
content.
I will.
You do test after?
After.
Nice.
That one is to replace another water.
Yeah, so the condensing, cooling.
Yan na siya baho. Basta ang waste ma. O na discharge.
Wow. Wow. So that's the cooling water that he's draining out to go and refresh with new colder water, because that's going to be too hot.
Singot ka?
Wow.
Baso. May nga na rin na ba?
So nagbutang na ka dito.
And then how do you clog that hole? Okay, yeah, I see.
Amazing kayo ka naman. Ikaw,
Yan Ben nga. Ben.
Ben.
Nanlan ang kayo permente.
Here's the top of the still. This is the condenser. This looks like a metal, thin metal. So you get the water in here. That cools the condensate. That cools the steam, sorry. The steam that's coming up in the still cools at the top. And then bam, look at this. Right in the bamboo. Right into the collection jar. Isn't that cool, you guys?
We call it first class.
First class? Can I taste some fresh out of the still?
First class?
Yeah.
Kara karong sunod.
Next of it.
Oh.
Next. That
There, hard. If you can, no, you can put on the
Ano siya
fire.
oh, ganina. Yan, buhat.
Tagaig kuan. Nay baso gamon.
Ano na siya? This one.
Tuba, fresh,
No.
Laksoy.
Lamban o.
ready to roll,
Yeah.
ready to go.
Ayun na.
Oy baso.
Pagkagasan na.
Tulawan man siya.
Init man.
Pabugnawon gyud na to.
Here, it's on recording already. Take a record, just keep
Ihuwad
recording.
na to patilaw naman.
I-mix tong kan, Gol. Mix tong kuan. Butan daw ba?
So, what is your process in regards to taking out the methanol, taking out the impurities, the bad stuff? Do you have a certain amount that you take out?
Yeah.
Nice. And what is your measuring device? How do you guys measure that?
Just taste it.
Just taste. All right, just by taste. Nice. So, I was asking you questions earlier, and I know now that you own the land, and you guys do this more just to survive, and so you don't have to have a real job, pretty much. You guys are alcohol makers, so you don't have to go and have a real job.
Yeah.
Same thing in USA. That's what guys do in USA. They get the still, they make the alcohol, and they sell it to their friends, family, etc. And then they don't have to get a real job. They use that funds, those money, to survive, eat, pay for the bills. Same thing you guys are doing.
Same.
Except, so just to fill you guys in USA, I make the stills. Not out of wood, though.
This is
Not out
already
of wood.
distilled.
What's the process?
Copper.
Copper?
Yeah, so we get flat sheet copper, make the cylinders, have the pot, and then a thumper, which is the middle piece. It's a double purification unit. So for example, if you had in between the pot, it's a completely different setup actually. The condenser would be at the end. But in USA, we have a thing called the thumper. It just makes it higher alcohol, like 170, 180 proof. Yeah. Do you know what?
I don't know what is exactly the proof of
Tilog.
Yeah. Salamat.
But the process on the evaporating like us the process also evaporating.
Yes. Yeah, same thing, but
Same
except
thing.
the condenser is a different build. How
Ooh,
this
we
is
have
an ancient
pictures.
moonshine still. Do you know when you guys built this still, or how you got what year the still was built?
Saan na katuig?
No. Also the nuno pa, yung mga ancestor pa.
This one?
Oh, this This also we
It's antique.
we've been
Antik na.
Nakabay na siya sa museum.
to ancestor.
It's in museum?
Ancestors.
Oh, ancestor.
So old. 100,
Old.
maybe 100 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, looks like 100 years old.
Me, I'm realized that.
Yeah.
Okay ni ito ano. Kay di pa man
The,
bugnaw
the,
gud.
the, process, the process also no tawag na.
Isa man.
No,
This
unsa?
is about this is about 100 degrees coming out right now.
Di na usab.
Maybe 110. Really, really hot.
It's not going to
Not
change.
ba?
Yeah, I can tell. It's really cool. Do you guys know what type of wood that is?
This wood is
Kamagong.
antipo yata.
Dili na uy.
Kaning Luan.
Nara.
Ay lawaan sir.
Lawan. LAW.
Lawaan.
All right, cool. Yeah, we'll look that up. Yeah, it's an amazing still. I can't believe that you guys were able to show me this. I really appreciate it. A lot of people are gonna like seeing this.
Mutilaw daw siya sa first class gamon.
First class.
Oh, yeah.
All
Gamay na yun.
later.
Why? What do you mean? What's first class? What's the difference? What do you?
First
The first
Oh, okay. Taking it out. So you call first class the methanol, the stuff that you take out. Okay, cool. And the way that you figure that out is from the taste only. Technically. Okay.
Asa mo itong lutuan dito?
Yeah. So one more time from the top, you guys. This still, the steam's traveling up, and it hits the top, and there's water on the top, cool water. So when the steam hits the top, the steam's turning into a liquid and getting pushed out into that bamboo. The bamboo shoot down. So the condensers, this is one unit all built in. This is amazing footage. I'm very thankful that I was able to get this.
Wala.
She's at the top of the
Ay, pala may exact no.
coconut, babe.
He is? Oh, he climbed up. Now, is there a reason why do you guys do the tuba from the coconut, or you don't because there's so many nipa?
Oh.
Yeah,
No.
too many nipa to do coconut.
Circle.
Where is he? Way up.
Iwan mo tanga to naglubi ha. Oh. Dati mo awas ni.
Hindi mo kayo yung anak, ya?
Ay, nung karon. Kainom karon. Upa ka kayo ng tubig butang.
Ay, wala man na dong.
It's the real deal shit, you guys.
Ay, uban sa butong ha. Dili tagap sa kuan. Pumok.
Wow. Really speechless. This is some amazing footage here. We're about 25 minutes off the main road. Oh, actually more, and plus a walk. So this is the nipa. I haven't explained too much about this. So all these trees here, this is a nipa field, and this is a nipa. I call it a nipa nut, but hey, Alvin, you call this a nipa patch, nipa bundle, nipa just
Nipa fruit.
nipa fruit. So one bundle is the fruit.
Yeah.
Okay, and what they do is they cut here
So,
and put a.
take times to just like one. Hilot. Big
Okay.
Hilot. Pila ni ka bulan gidong?
Hilot means break.
15.
15 hilot. For one month?
2 months.
For 2 months.
What do you mean 15 hilot? What do you mean?
Hilo 2 months.
You make it like that. Hilot. Kick call that. Yeah, you
Kicking?
kick that.
Oh, you kick it for a couple
For
months.
2 months.
Oh wow! So that's gonna activate all the juices.
Yes.
To be able to come out. Okay. Wow. So the reason why you haven't fucked with this one yet is because you're just still kicking it right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So once it's done kicked, you then cut it around this point.
There, yes. You
Around here? You massage? Oh yeah. And then once it's ready, you cut it and you put the plastic bottle on it. And then how many weeks or days or months do you guys wait for the plastic bottle
Pila
to
kay
fill up?
mahurot kol?
Pila ka
Isa.
pagputol.
It's very hard, like a nut. Very, very hard.
Mga duha hapon ka bulan. 2 months.
Only 2 months.
2 months for this, so it's a 4-month process.
Yeah.
Wow. But it looks like you get plenty of nipa trees. So does every tree have a?
Mugbo, dira sa
Yes.
Every
Old
tree
one.
produces
Old
one.
Oh.
Every tree just produces one. Kind of like a banana tree has a heart. Kind of like the banana has one. Oh, they might have.
1 or 2 or 3.
Oh, so
or
sometimes
one.
they have 3.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Mugbo awel ano.
Oh, ba na ni?
Crush.
Careful.
You wanna drink?
Yeah. Salamat.
For you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Diba? Ako yun na.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I've never even tried it before. Here, taste me. Hold me.
My hand's dirty, babe. Wait.
Lala, di buta na naglubi.
Thanks.
It's his first time.
First time with coconut.
Yeah, ano naman yan? Ha?
Is it good? Yeah, it is
coconut juice.
good.
So you eat the insides too, or just the?
We eat the inside too. Ang isa asulod. Oh, shucks! Kauna na sa asulod, ana.
pwede
Yeah, you can eat that. You
Nice.
wanna eat?
Sa kanang bunta
I tried.
nga dahil
Yeah, you should try to eat that.